Hello, my name is Pedro Gorozpe, and I just completed the Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Work Executive Education program at Thunderbird School of Global Management. In this program, we learn a lot about artificial intelligence. We learned topics such as the agentification of AI, physical AI, the most common large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, and many more. The professor also teaches you with a very hands-on and practical approach. The program is taught by Professor Naidu, which is amazing. He makes you work the concepts, the lectures, the cases using these programs. So for instance, we analyzed a business case using one of the programs, and it was amazing. It was unbelievable to see how the technology can help us make our lives so much easier. I will definitely use all the knowledge that I gain out of this program in my professional career. When I was offered the chance to participate in this executive education program, my immediate answer was yes. I didn't hesitate. However, I think I was a little afraid that my lack of technical expertise would hinder my experience, but that wasn't the case at all. This program is for everyone that wants to understand artificial intelligence, that wants to understand its possible risks, but also how to use it. You don't need to be a technician, you don't need to be a software developer to go through this program and be successful. For all of you who want to understand artificial intelligence and use these technologies, I truly believe that this program is a must, and it will give you the tools that you need to understand the implications of artificial intelligence, and from a very practical approach, learn how to use it.